Imagine a world where doctors can personalize your treatment based on your genetic makeup. Welcome to the fascinating field of bioinformatics. Bioinformatics, a term coined in the late 20th century, is an amalgamation of biology, computer science, and mathematics. It's a field that has made it possible for us to delve deeper into the complex world of biological data. But what exactly is biological data? Well, it's the information that we gather from our bodies and the world around us. This could be anything from the genetic makeup of a rare plant species to the DNA sequence of a human being. The beauty of bioinformatics lies in its ability to take this raw data, which on its own may seem like a random string of numbers and letters, and transform it into something meaningful. It's like having a secret decoder ring that can unlock the mysteries of life's building blocks. For instance, it can help us understand the genetic basis of diseases, how different organisms evolve, and even how to develop new drugs and therapies. The importance of bioinformatics in today's world cannot be overstated. With the advent of high-throughput technologies, we are generating an unprecedented amount of biological data. However, without the right tools to analyze this data, it's akin to having a library full of books in a language you don't understand. This is where bioinformatics comes in, providing the tools and techniques to decipher this information, helping us to understand the complex biological systems and diseases. Whether it's mapping the human genome, studying the biodiversity of ecosystems, or predicting the three-dimensional structures of proteins, bioinformatics is at the heart of modern biological research. It's a field that's constantly evolving, bringing together scientists from diverse backgrounds to tackle some of the biggest questions in biology. So, bioinformatics acts as a bridge, connecting the dots between raw biological data and meaningful information. It's a field that's not just about understanding life at a molecular level, but also about leveraging this knowledge to improve human health and the world we live in. Now that we have an understanding of what bioinformatics is, let's delve into how it's making a real difference in our world. Bioinformatics, an interdisciplinary field that combines biology, computer science, and information technology, is transforming the landscape of biological research and healthcare. Let's take a look at how it's being applied in the real world. Firstly, let's talk about DNA sequencing. The human genome is comprised of over 3 billion base pairs of DNA. Decoding this vast amount of information is like trying to read a book that's 3 billion letters long. But with bioinformatics, scientists are able to sequence and analyze genetic data with unprecedented speed and accuracy. This has led to breakthroughs in understanding genetic diseases and has paved the way for personalized treatments. Next up is drug discovery. Traditional drug discovery is a lengthy and expensive process, often taking up to 10 years and billions of dollars to bring a new drug to market. Bioinformatics is changing the game here. By using computational models to predict how a drug will interact with its target, scientists can significantly speed up the discovery process and reduce costs. This has led to the development of new treatments for diseases like cancer and HIV. Now let's consider disease prediction. By analyzing genetic data, bioinformatics can help predict an individual's susceptibility to certain diseases. For example, scientists can analyze a person's genetic makeup to identify markers associated with diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, or heart disease. This kind of predictive power can lead to early interventions and more effective treatments. Finally, let's explore personalized medicine. Imagine a future where your doctor could prescribe a treatment tailored specifically to your genetic makeup. That's the promise of personalized medicine, and bioinformatics is helping to make it a reality. By analyzing an individual's genetic data, scientists can understand how they might respond to certain treatments, enabling them to design more effective, personalized therapeutic strategies. These are just a few examples of how bioinformatics is revolutionizing our understanding of biology and health. By harnessing the power of big data and advanced computing, bioinformatics is helping to unlock the secrets of the human genome, accelerate drug discovery, predict diseases, and pave the way for personalized medicine. From cracking the genetic code to predicting diseases, bioinformatics is undoubtedly revolutionizing the way we understand and interact with biology. In the world of genomic research, bioinformatics is the unsung hero. This multidisciplinary field is the backbone of modern genomics, weaving together biology, computer science, mathematics, and statistics to unlock the secrets of the human genome and beyond. At the heart of genomic research is the identification of genes, the tiny units of heredity that dictate our biological makeup. With the vastness of the human genome, which comprises over 3 billion base pairs, finding a single gene is like looking for a needle in a haystack. Enter bioinformatics. By using sophisticated algorithms and data analysis techniques, bioinformatics can sift through this genomic haystack, pinpointing the location of genes with remarkable accuracy. Once a gene has been identified, the next step is annotation. This involves determining the function of the gene and its role within the biological system. A gene's function can be as simple as coding for a specific protein or as complex as regulating the activity of other genes. Bioinformatics tools assist in this process, drawing from vast databases of known gene functions to infer the role of newly discovered genes. Beyond gene identification and annotation, bioinformatics also helps us understand the evolutionary aspects of genes. Through comparative genomics, researchers can compare the genes of different species, revealing patterns of evolution and providing insights into how species have adapted over time. By comparing our genes to those of other organisms, we can see the echoes of our evolutionary past and perhaps catch a glimpse of our future. Yet, bioinformatics is not just about understanding the genome, it's also about putting that understanding to use. Whether it's developing new drugs, improving crop yields, or tracing the spread of disease, the applications of bioinformatics are as varied as they are impactful. Thus, bioinformatics provides a comprehensive view of the genome, unlocking mysteries of life one gene at a time. The journey of a drug from a lab to your medicine cabinet is long and challenging, but bioinformatics is changing that. Bioinformatics, the marriage of biology and information technology, is playing a crucial role in the drug discovery process. It's like a compass in the vast sea of biological data, guiding scientists to the most promising drug targets. So how does this work? Let's break it down. Firstly, bioinformatics helps in identifying drug targets. This process involves sifting through a massive amount of genetic data to find specific genes or proteins that are associated with a particular disease. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, but instead of a needle, we're looking for a genetic anomaly. And instead of a haystack, we're looking at the entire human genome. Bioinformatics tools make this task more manageable and more precise. Once a potential target is identified, bioinformatics is used to predict drug interactions. This means understanding how a drug will interact with our bodies at a molecular level. It's a bit like predicting the weather, but instead of clouds and rain, we're predicting chemical reactions in our bodies. Again, bioinformatics tools play a crucial role in this process, simulating these interactions and providing scientists with valuable insights. Lastly, bioinformatics aids in optimizing drug design. Once we understand the target and the potential interactions, the next step is to design a molecule that can effectively interact with the target and elicit the desired response. This is where bioinformatics shines, using complex algorithms to design and optimize potential drugs. It's like building a key specifically designed to unlock a certain lock, where the lock is the drug target and the key is the drug itself. Bioinformatics is thus streamlining the drug discovery process, bringing safer and more effective drugs to patients faster. It's like a beacon of light in the complex labyrinth of drug discovery, illuminating the path to new life-saving treatments. As we move towards a data-driven future, the prospects for bioinformatics are brighter than ever. This interdisciplinary field, which merges biology, computer science, information engineering, mathematics, and statistics to analyze and interpret biological data, holds immense potential for the future. One of the most promising areas where bioinformatics is set to make a significant impact is personalized medicine. Personalized medicine is a medical model that tailors healthcare, with decisions and treatments being customized for each individual patient in every way possible. As we continue to make strides in decoding the human genome, bioinformatics will play a pivotal role in translating this genetic information into personalized treatment plans. For instance, by identifying genetic markers linked to specific diseases, doctors can prescribe treatments that are most likely to work based on a patient's unique genetic makeup. In addition to personalized medicine, bioinformatics also holds the key to preventive medicine. By using bioinformatics tools to analyze large data sets of patient information, we can identify risk factors and early indicators of diseases, leading to timely interventions and prevention of serious health issues. This approach can help us shift from a reactive healthcare model to a proactive one, where diseases are prevented before they even occur. Bioinformatics also plays a crucial role in understanding complex diseases. These are diseases caused by the interaction of multiple genes and environmental factors, making them particularly challenging to study. Bioinformatics can help us unravel these complexities by offering insights into the genetic and environmental factors that contribute to these diseases. This understanding could lead to the development of new, more effective treatments and therapies. The future scope of bioinformatics isn't limited to healthcare alone. It's also set to revolutionize fields like agriculture, where it can be used to improve crop yield and resistances to diseases and pests, and environmental science, where it can help in biodiversity conservation and understanding the impacts of climate change on various species. As for career prospects, the future is looking bright for those interested in bioinformatics. With the increasing demand for professionals who can analyze and interpret complex biological data, there's no shortage of opportunities in both academia and industry. From pharmaceutical companies looking for new drug targets, to healthcare providers seeking to personalize patient care, to government agencies aiming to protect biodiversity, the skills of a bioinformatician are in high demand. In conclusion, the future of bioinformatics is exciting and full of possibilities. It's a field that's set to transform not just our understanding of life and how it works, but also how we approach healthcare, agriculture, environmental conservation, and more. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of life, bioinformatics will be at the forefront, guiding us towards a healthier and more informed future. Bioinformatics is more than just a blend of biology and computer science. It's a revolutionary field that is reshaping how we understand life and health. Throughout our journey today, we've seen how bioinformatics is applied in real-life scenarios, how it's becoming a cornerstone in genomic research, and how it's playing a pivotal role in drug discovery. This dynamic field is not confined to just these areas. It is evolving, expanding, and reaching into corners of biology and medicine we could only dream of. From understanding the intricacies of our DNA to aiding in the development of life-saving drugs, bioinformatics is at the forefront of many groundbreaking discoveries. It's changing the way we look at diseases, our health, and the very essence of life itself. Bioinformatics is not just the future, it's the present, and it's transforming the world as we know it. So stay curious, stay informed, and let's explore this fascinating world together.